Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to see locked profile on Facebook. So let's get started. So if you want to see someone's locked profile on Facebook, then what you can do is follow some easy steps. First, what you have to do is just open up your Facebook and then select a person's locked profile. So just select a person's profile which is locked. After selecting it, now what you can do is just take a screenshot. So after taking a screenshot, now what you have to do is just simply come back to your home screen. And from here what you can do is just simply tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right, and then tap on help and support, and inside your help and support now you'll find this option which is report a problem. Just tap on it and then tap on report a problem. After tapping on that, just simply tap on don't include and just scroll down, and after scrolling down you should find this option which is profile. Just tap on it, and after tapping on it this will automatically upload your profile screenshot, or what you can do is just simply select the other one by just removing it and then tap on upload the photo, and then just upload the screenshot of this photo. So after entering that, now you just have to ask Facebook for access of the following profiles info. So after requesting about that, what you can do is just simply tap on that black arrow which is on the top right. Simply tap on the black arrow which is on the top right, and after tapping on that, now you will send your feedback and Facebook will reply you by solving your problem. So that's it guys, this is how to see locked profile on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.